all-in-one tool for editors. Welcome to TechTrekker. We all know one fact about AI, and that is AI will definitely destroy our future. But we also have a solution. Learn it and use it and make yourself different from others. We are always finding different tools for different tasks. We all need one tool that can do everything on one place. Let's we know today's AI tool. RunwayML.com. Also, Udemy provide full course for learning this RunwayML.com tools. Advancing creativity with artificial intelligence. Just simple sign in and use 13 plus tools. These all creative tools, you can use it easily. It's also provide tutorial videos for instruction. So it will be helpful for user. It's a totally web-based, so no need to download any external things. Hope you all like it and useful for all graphic designer and editor who still suffering and stuck in Adobe. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more updates.